Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the Manfitter car gap filler. This is a really convenient thing if you have a small gap between the car seat and the middle part of the car. So this is usually the place where you lose a lot of space and you lose a lot of things. So there comes this innovation. It's in two parts. You can easily fit it together. First thing, you have this USB cable which you plug into USB port on your car, and that makes from one port it makes two ports. So you don't have to put a lot of things together. There's just this coin box. Basically you have to assemble this and put this on this side, and then it's everything ready. You just have to decide where you put this. You have two possibilities basically from this side, and you can put it from this side, but it's not a thing which is has to last forever. You can put this together and you easily can take it apart when you push these things down here, and the same thing on this side. You can more or less easily take it out again. Okay, so it's up to you. The thing is just you need to know that it really fits. So this is has to be about the gap. They say the size should be between 15 millimeters and 25 millimeters. So when we measure this, it's about 20 millimeters, which is about 2 centimeters, almost 1 inch, and the gap should be between 15 millimeters, which is a little bit smaller, so you can press this together. So that would be perfect. But it works up to about 25 millimeters, 2.5 centimeters, and about 1 inch. If it's too wide, so it will probably be too loose. So the gap should fill, but then you have a really nice thing which fits for your coins, and you can charge your phones, you can place your credit cards. There's a lot of space here which you can use for keys and wallets or whatever. It's a really amazing thing, and yeah, from my side, full recommendation. I don't see any problem at all. Comes for a very cheap price, and you can buy right away with the link in the description. So if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.